Chosen ones, you must view life correctly, which allows you to view yourself correctly, chosen one, because life is perfect. See, you might not believe that life is perfect, chosen one, with all of the unmet expectations that did not go your way. But please understand that entitled mindset, it doesn't necessarily reflect that life is flawed, but it does reflect, chosen one, that your thinking certainly is. See, here's the hard truth, chosen one. Life is indeed perfect, but it's our imperfect nature as human beings that makes it difficult for us to embrace, chosen one. But here's 3 strategies that can help you. Number 1, please understand that your perception of life sets the tone, chosen one, for your acceptance of life, chosen one. Because once you change your perception, chosen one, you actually change your life, chosen one. Number 2, all adversity, all challenges, all pain come with the equal, if not greater, blessing. Now the adversity, that comes free and easy, but you gotta fight and be patient long enough, chosen one, to secure the blessing. And number 3, you gotta develop a greatness mindset, a mind bold enough to believe, chosen one, that life is always happening for you, not to you, chosen one. Regardless of what it may look like or feel like, chosen one. Never, ever, ever forget, you were born to be great.